Hi, welcome to the SAR Universe YouTube channel. Today our topic is what is G01. G01 means linear feed move or linear interpolation. Linear feed moves are point to point moves in a straight line at a feed rate specified by f. In this move, all axes in motion and reach the end point at the same time. Now I show you the proper definition of this move. Okay. Linear feed moves are point to point moves in a straight line at a feed rate specified by f. The moves are interpolated so all axes in motion reach the end point at the same time. In absolute mode G90, X, Y and Z define the end point of the move in the user coordinate system. In incremental position mode G91, X, Y and Z define the distance and direction to move from the current position. I will make a separate video. On that video, I will explain briefly what is the actual meaning of absolute position mode and incremental position mode, and you will see the difference of these two mode. Okay, this is the format of this mode, linear feed move format G01 XYZ. Further I explain briefly. Now I show you the example of this move in CNC and VMC programming. This example is program a feed move from X 10.0 Y 30 to this move. I am taking in rapid move, then to X 100 Y minus 10 at a feed rate of 150 UPM. This move I will take in linear feed move. Okay, rapid mode G90 is in absolute programming. G54 is fixture offset 1, G17 XY plane, G40 cutter compensation cancel, G49 tool length offset cancel, G80 Kennedy cycle cancel. This line of block is called safe start line. T1 M6 tool number 1, tool change, spindle speed 2500, M3 means spindle rotation in clockwise direction, means start spindle rotation in clockwise directions. G94 means feet per minute mode. G0 rapid move X 10.0 Y 30.0, rapid move to XY position. G01 linear feed move X 100.0 Y minus 10.0 at feed rate of 150, move to XY position at feed rate. M30 program end and rewind. This is the example of G01 linear feed move. Now I show you the example of this drawing. You can see this is 3D drawing. Now I will explain you how to do this turning in CNC machining. This is a 3D drawing. There are two steps. One step is this one and another is this one. Now I am going to explain you how to create this turning program in CNC programming.